So actually kind of what brought up my the kind of the peer-to-peer banking system, but with viewers and a bunch of other things going on, and with the GoFundMe them cutting is that banks and stuff have historically funded a bunch of awful. First of all, they're for profit, meaning that they really don't care about you, so they don't always give out loans to everyone that should need loans, or they don't, or they run by people with stereotypes. So banks have refused to give loans to historically black people in the U.S. and so much more, and that these loans have caused them not to be able to afford houses and stuff. Also, they have historically done risky investments, and when they do risky investments, they can get away with it because they have financial ways of backing up, or just the CEO wants. It makes a bunch of people on the bottom lose money. Another thing is that your peers might know you better, and then other people might know if you deserve a loan or not, or might not be angry if you don't pay them back as much. And because they see that you deserve it. Another thing is that people might be able to judge a loan for a business in a community much better, or new technology, than the loan investor, which doesn't understand this technology or the business or the needs of it. And also, I just want to redistribute the power, so it's not like one person making a decision and it's less corrupt. But an even bigger thing is we're seeing it now with, ironically, OnlyFans. Followup, and that the problem with OnlyFans is that now all these banking places are saying they won't fund it, so they're stopping to put up certain types of content that if you follow the story, you know what I'm talking about. Because they're not putting up this type of content, saying it's for like ethical reasons, blah, blah, it's not, because what's going to happen is those people that do legit work are now going to go into less safe places where they have less control over the money they get less of that money, they have less control over the content, they can be forced to do more unrealistic things and not set boundaries, they have less recourse if something goes wrong or they get stalkers or something, and the whole industry then gets controlled by a few more elite people. So it's not going to end the industry in any way. It is going to make it more dangerous and less secure and less empowering. This will be a way to make sure people can have financial loans despite that. And if the government took this up, we would have an even better system where you can really cut out profit, and you can also back up a lot of loans automatically if they default, and people would trust the system a lot more. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers in a year and 4,000 watch hours, which is really hard, but with your help, I think you can do it. Also, if you have any ideas for future videos, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. Again, thank you very much. Goodbye.